Gigi the giraffe was excited to visit her friends for a fun party. But there was one tiny problem. Gigi was very, very tall. When Gigi tried to go inside, her head got stuck in the doorway. Her friends had a clever idea. They decided to make the doorway taller. Soon, Gigi walked right in. Everyone celebrated and enjoyed the party together.
It's amazing!
Thanks for watching Chikamiku TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fun adventures.